Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica. This machine had a bad pump and so we replaced it. So let's go ahead and test the machine. And when the machine had a bad pump, it was the coffee was just trickling out the front. And often it would start off with a good flow, and then the flow would slow down partway through the shot. The shot is bigger than the cup. Let's stop it there. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.